There's working. Oh, man, we got a dilemma. Brake parts went out. Did you put all that on there already?
Yeah.
Okay, the car broke down. Well, it didn't stop. It just... We got out of the SM City with our subscriber Monday, whatever day it was last week, Tuesday. And as we were getting almost to my car, the alarm was going off. And we couldn't understand that. I checked around. I said, somebody probably hit it and bumped it. Well, we got him to the port, got home, we got home, turned the alarm off, and a couple seconds later it went back on. Turn it off, a few seconds later it would come back on. Well, we played this silly little cat and mouse game for a little while, and I said, okay, I'm going to go see Pizza Bill. I haven't been out of my house since November, so I'm going to go say hi to Bill. She needs to stay here with the kids, so I went over there, and I took one of the kids with me to eat pizza. And we got over there, and taillights wouldn't go off. We walked around behind the car, and taillights are stuck on. And I had the boy get in the car and pump the pedal a couple of times, and I checked everything I could check, and I says, oh, it's got a brake switch stuck, so we have to change the switch. And I get home, start doing some research on it. And do you have that part handy? I started doing a little bit of research on YouTube, and there's this little funky looking rubber ducky stuck underneath there between the brake switch pedal and the frame. Here you go. Be careful, it's valuable. So I did a little research on YouTube and found out that's what the problem was, or probably was. And so Rose went all over downtown McCullough looking for them, and all the auto parts stores. They're all together, all around the same group little area, and then they got a couple of scattered. And then we went to a company called Japacor, which has got tons of stuff over there. We've gotten a few things from them, and they didn't have it. And then she went to the dealership. They didn't have it. Special order, so we have to give them all the information on the car, which she didn't have with her. Frame, serial number, and all that. So we've got to. So we came home, and I'm downstairs now in my briefs, and I was going to try to take that dashboard apart and get to the switch and see what it is, and maybe stick a bolt in there to fix it. It ain't gonna happen. They don't have any way to get underneath there unless you're a monkey. Well, that's not good to say, but unless you're really small or creative or whatever. But Rose got underneath there and she found it. She says, yep, you were right, Mike, that's what's wrong with it. And here's the little piece. That's the only piece left. And so she pulled that out, and she found another one of those little parts. There's two on the clutch and one on the brake, and we're guessing the one on the clutch down on the floor is just kind of make it easier and quieter on the clutch when you go down on it all the way. So we're going to she took it out, and she's going to take the other one, or we're going to leave the other one in, which is, I believe it's probably going to be for the neutral safety switch, and we should be good to go. So now she's going to work on it. How's my junior mechanic? Mechanic in training. You getting it?
Yeah.
Here, you want to use this camera? Just put it up there while it's running. You go ahead. We can always trim it. It's running now.
The problem is, how do I can work this with this?
Find a place to sit it and park it and let it run.
There's no way the place that I can stick on it. let's go and put. Can't hold the camera.
And
Okay, so this is the one that for the brakes, for the clutch, and there is another one. So it's very similar to this one, the brakes light. I think they are the same. So that's it. And we have a reserve that it founds. I got it from here. Got it from here. So I think this is the one that we replaced to the bricks. Alright. Okay guys, I put it on there. So this one I have to push the brake hard so I can stick on that little pieces there. And finally I made it. Ow!
yeah, you had a good support team.
Alright. And let's gonna say guys. Okay.
Okay, she said she just got it. I couldn't get underneath there. And I'm having problems walking right now. Of course, I had to open the other car door and get sit down. Rose is going to open up the hood and go ahead and put the negative battery terminal on.
Yeah, I'm scared.
That's simple. I'll do that. But I'm going to need my crescent wrench, or get my tool pouch if you would.
Where?
It's in the trunk. Remember where we put it?
Oh, okay.
And so she's going to get my tool pouch, and I'll help her get that neutral battery cable put on, the grounding cable. And then we're going to do the final test, see if everything works. The important thing is getting that, especially that brake light fixed, because what happens on an alarm, if you...
Glasses.
Were they in there too? Okay, great. Great that they're still here. The important thing is, if you walk up to a car door, it's got an alarm on, and you pull the handle on the alarm on the door to open it, then the light will come on the inside of the car, and that generates a voltage draw. Well, that's what sets off the alarm. And that's what was going on when we were at SM City. We walked out to the car because the brake lights were on. We couldn't see that. We didn't notice it. That the alarm ran all the time. Okay, she's got it energized. I'm going to go help her with it. We get the thing finished and check it out. We've got to make sure we got all the cables on there. There's a whole pile of cables we got to put on an additional to the battery cable. There's all those extra little wires. We'll get that done.
Alright guys, here's the test guy. Let's see if it's working. But I think it's working. Yeah. Yeah, it's working.
Wow.
Yep.
Now.
Okay.
I'm going to have to check that neutral safety switch, because you took the one part out of the clutch and you put it for the brake.
I did not put there. I did not get from the clutch. It's just right here.
Okay, I know what you're saying.
It's useless.
Well, I hope so. Maybe they put it there as a spare.
That's spare,
Although it's
yeah.
got some use on it, but
Exactly.
let me try it. Okay. Fire her up, Scotty. Whoa, feel that power. it.
I save your life too.
Yes, you have. Well, you guys, I hope you guys can get as lucky as I am with my Filipina. You're next one. She's been awesome.
Really?
Okay.
That's new.
Not clean the car, strap the wheel. Joke man. Although she does do that. Every time we go somewhere next morning she's out here cleaning the car.
I did that before, but now get tired in it.
Yeah. Wow, this is incredible.
Right, are you happy because it's fixed?
Yeah, I'm happy. Now I've got my obligation to go out and meet my subs.
That's good.
Yeah.
So you have fun.
Okay guys, thanks
All right.
a whole lot for stopping by my channel again.
Okay, so it's work now.
Yeah.
It's working now, finally. It's work. So I am a junior mechanic now. I know some parts how to do it. Just basic parts only.
Oh. Let me bring it here.
You're stealing.
Okay. Because Rose has been such a big help today and always. I want y'all can see how hard she's working, and I'll tell you what I want you to do. I want you to go to her channel, Rose's Real Life in the Philippines, or Real Life TV, and like, subscribe, and hit that little bell down there, an icon, so you can get every one of her upcoming videos. But do that. It would mean a lot to me and a lot to her. Thanks, guys.
Salamat. That's all I can say. Okay, so after he's throwing the camera on my face, I'm gonna say thank you for everyone that to subscribe me. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. And
On my channel too.
okay, never mind. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and you have to say all my channel, check my other video in the throwback my video. All right, bye bye, have a good day.